let's analyze what are the various excuses that people give for not reading the glorious Qur'an with understanding. The most common excuse is that we do not know Arabic as a language. If we analyze the world population, it is approximately 6 billion, out of which 20 to 25% are Muslims, 1.3 to 1.5 billion, whereas only 15% of the Muslims are Arabs. There are very few non-Arabs who understand Arabic as a language. So more than 80% of the Muslims, they do not understand Arabic as a language. So the best excuse we Muslims give is, we do not know Arabic as a language. When a human being is born, he does not know any language. So the child, he initially learns his mother tongue in order to communicate with his family members. Later on, he learns one or two more languages in order to communicate with the society around him. On an average, a human being, he at least knows 2 to 3 languages. Some may know 3 to 5, some may be linguists. But on an average, a human being, he at least knows 2 to 3 languages. Don't you think it's a requirement to learn Arabic as language in order to understand the message of our Creator, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala?